Welcome to my latest video. What I'm going to be showing today is the 3 different colour profiles. This one is taken on the Mini 4 Pro, and firstly this is the normal mode. As you can see to the left, it's unedited, shot straight from the drone, and on the right it's had a DJI LUT applied to it, so it's just a very simple edit there. I've run all 3 of these videos by using a waypoint mission, so if you get to the next one and have a look what the difference is, I'd be interested to see people's comments to say which one they prefer. So now we are on the HLG shot video on the waypoint. Now they're all shot on 4K 60 frames per second, and on this one on the left you'll see the unedited HLG, and again on the right you'll see with the simple DJI LUT applied. I've not done any further colour grading on it, just applied the LUT and see what it turned out like. And finally we have the D-Log-M, the 4K 60 frames per second again. This is at about 40 meters high. I was aiming to capture the different colours of the trees now that we've hit autumn, and I wanted to see if by adding the LUT it brought out the colours, and just to see that flat colour with the simple LUT applied, seeing the difference in the brightness and how the colours pop a lot more. Anyway, I'd be very interested to hear your thoughts on this. Comments are always greatly received. Any advice on anything, please feel free to share, and thank you for watching the video.